What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Better Biomed. Today, I want to publicly thank the guys over at Boca down there in Florida. They've supported my channel by offering me equipment like this lovely LifePak 20 right here, which allows me to create some of the content that you guys say that you really want and you need. So thank you very much, Ross and Garrett. I appreciate the support. It means a lot to me. Folks, if you are looking for any medical equipment, or if you're looking to sell some medical equipment, give them a shout out. I'll leave a link down below so you can check out their website. And again, thank you guys, Boca. This guy here has followed me to schools. It has allowed me to do video presentations. And this guy has also allowed me to demonstrate software and test out software that has currently been untested. It's new to the industry. And this guy right here has meant a lot to me. So thank you guys. I appreciate it.